If a girl says this to you, she's sexually attracted to you. Hello, it's Anna once again, bringing you into the fascinating realm of romantic attraction. Now, there's a secret language, often veiled behind seemingly innocuous comments or phrases that's solely meant to convey deep attraction. What if I told you that you've probably missed out on some clear signals from someone who's being utterly captivated by you? So today we are deciphering that code. We will break down the phrases, the undertones, and the hidden intentions, painting a clear picture of when a girl is genuinely drawn to you. Brace yourself because some of these might surprise you. Intrigued to find out what you might have missed in the past and how to catch it in the future? Let's unravel this mystery together. Complimenting your appearance. Now, one of the most straightforward indicators of attraction is when she takes the time to compliment your looks. If she mentions how that shirt brings out the colour of your eyes or how she loves the way that you've styled your hair, it's not just about the clothing or the hair, it's actually about the person wearing them. She's essentially signalling that she finds you aesthetically pleasing, and it's her way of showing that she's noticing the finer details about you, which is something people tend to do when they are attracted to someone. Intimate questions. Inquiry into personal territories like past relationships, love life, or even your preferences in a partner. This is a strong sign that she's interested, and by asking such intimate questions, she's trying to gauge compatibility and envision a potential future together. More than that, her curiosity about your romantic history signifies a deeper level of interest than just casual friendship. It shows she's trying to understand your emotional world and see where she might fit in. We should spend more time together. This is a fairly direct expression of interest. While friendships often involve spending time together, of course, this specific phrase indicates a desire for increased closeness and intimacy. If she's suggesting more one-on-one time or seeking out opportunities for the both of you to be alone, it's a strong indication that she's looking to deepen the bond and potentially explore a romantic connection. Verbal teasing. Playful banter and light teasing are often hallmarks of flirtation. If she playfully jabs at you, makes fun of a quirky habit that you have, or tries to engage in witty conversations, she's trying to engage with you on a more flirtatious level. While teasing can sometimes be misconstrued, in the right context and with accompanying positive body language, it's a classic sign of interest. It's her way of creating a unique dynamic between the two of you, a sort of inside joke or shared experience that deepens connection. You smell good. Such a compliment holds more weight than you might initially think. When she takes a moment to appreciate your scent, it's a sign she's physically and emotionally drawn to you. Now, the sense of smell is deeply connected to memory and emotion. By acknowledging and complimenting your scent, she's not only showing that she's physically close enough to notice, but also that there's a level of comfort and attraction in that proximity. Mysterious remarks. If she throws out teasing comments like, "I bet you are a wild one," or drops playful innuendos, she's probably trying to gauge your reaction and flirt with you simultaneously. Now, these remarks add a layer of playful mystery and tension to the conversation. They are often meant to provoke a reaction and keep the dialogue lively, flirtatious, and interesting. "I had a dream about you." This is particularly an intimate thing to share. By letting you know that she dreamt about you, she's indirectly telling you that you've been on her mind, even in her subconscious state. Whether or not she divulges the contents of the dream, the mere fact that she's bringing it up indicates a level of closeness and interest in deepening the connection. Open invitations. When she casually mentions being home alone or expresses a wish for plans on a free evening, these can be a subtle invitation for you to make a move. She's signaling an openness to spending time together in a more private setting. While it's essential to gauge the context correctly, such hints often imply that she's comfortable with the idea of closer intimacy and is possibly hoping you would take the initiative. I love your voice. A voice is personal and it's not something everyone notices. If she's taken the time to compliment your voice, she's tuning into the intimate parts of you that perhaps others might overlook. She's paying attention not just to what you say, but how you say it. Such a compliment indicates a deeper level of attraction and appreciation. Asking about your weekend plans. By inquiring about your plans, she's not just making casual conversation, she's expressing genuine curiosity about your life and availability. Now, this shows she's potentially interested in joining you or finding a time when you can both meet up. It's a subtle way of gauging your interest and finding common times to connect. "I miss you." Now, this is a clear and direct expression of her feelings, obviously. If she says she misses you, it might mean that she's thinking about you in your absence and feels a void when you're not around. It's a significant indicator of her attachment and attraction to you. She values your presence and feels the difference when you are not there. Talking about compatibility. When she talks about how well you both get along or how she has never quite met someone quite like you, she's emphasizing the compatibility. She sees something special in your connection and feels the two of you have a unique bond. It's a sign that she's assessing the potential of a deeper relationship and values the unique connection you both share. I trust you. Now, trust is the cornerstone of any intimate relationship. If she explicitly mentions that she trusts you, she's not just talking about believing you won't lie to her. This signifies a deeper connection, and she feels safe around you both emotionally and physically. This level of vulnerability is a profound indicator of attraction and an open door to deeper intimacy. You make me laugh. Laughter is a form of connection. By telling you that you bring joy and humour into her life, she's saying that she enjoys your company on a level that goes beyond mere friendship. Shared laughter is intimate, and if she singles you out as someone who consistently makes her laugh, she's undeniably attracted to the joyous moments you create together. Expressing jealousy. Now, if she's making casual remarks or subtly questioning the other woman in your life, this can be a sign of possessiveness or protectiveness. While excessive jealousy can be a red flag, mild jealousy is a clear indicator that she values the unique bond you share and does not want to lose it. It's a sign that she sees you as someone special and worth protecting her relationship with. Sharing personal fantasies. Now, this is about more than just bedroom talk. If she's comfortable sharing her innermost desires, dreams, or intimate details about her life, it showcases a deeper level of trust. Now, this kind of vulnerability, where she lets you into her world of fantasies and wishes, is a potent sign of attraction. She sees you as someone she can be her genuine self with without that fear of judgment. I feel safe around you. Few compliments are as powerful as this one. When she expresses that she feels safe around you, it goes beyond the realms of protection. It means she feels emotionally secure, that she can let her guard down and be her authentic self without the fear of judgment or harm. Now, this feeling of safety is crucial for deepening that intimacy and connection, and her stating it directly signifies a profound level of attraction and trust. Discussing attraction. If she's casually discussing what she finds attractive and it just so happens to align with features or traits that you possess, it's not by chance. She's hinting at her attraction to you without saying it outright. This subtlety, whether it's about physical features, mannerisms, or personal habits, showcases that she's noticed and values those qualities in you. You are different from the other guys. By distinguishing you from other men, she is communicating that there's something unique about you that she genuinely appreciates. This isn't just about being a good listener or being kind. She's recognizing an inherent quality or behavior in you that she hasn't found elsewhere, indicating a deeper level of interest and attraction. Frequent texting. In the age of digital communication, reaching out frequently is a clear sign of interest. If she is consistently initiating conversations, sending you good morning or good night messages, or sharing little jokes and memes that remind her of shared moments, she's thinking about you often. This consistent effort to stay connected, even through a screen, is a modern day testament to her attraction and desire to have you in her life. Now that you are clued into her subtle signs, learn what women watch men do without them even realizing, or discover the magic phrase to approach women that works wonders. Thank you for tuning in. Light up the like button, contribute with a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more comments.